got to show you. This is it. I'm about to check the house right now. Let's go check it out. Look at that, how beautiful. Look at that. Guest check out today. I'm gonna check the house to see how they left it. Like always. That's part of my job. No matter how it's snowy out there, blizzard, I'm still gonna show up. Yep. They were having so much fun. I don't know what is that, but look. Look again. That's crazy. Look again. Look again. Nothing is broken. The door, this is my kind of inspection. This is my inspection, how I check the sauna to make sure there's no crack, nothing. And yes, we inside is the sauna. I can see everything looks good. I'll be right back.